Hello, myself Shivani Singh. I'm the career counselor of Maxmunus. Today I'm going to explain few things on IFS Manufacturing Training course. In this IFS Manufacturing, we will cover from basics to advanced level of the training. In case if you are looking only for the advanced or the basic part of the training, it is also possible. We do believe in complete customization of the training solution for one and all. And hence, if you are an individual or corporate, we will fix the training agenda as per your requirement or as per your project requirement and then deliver the training for you. So, our here is the agenda. What are the trainer is going to cover to this IFS manufacturing training video. So let me read one by one. First one, introduction, then features, course content, prerequisite, certification, job opportunities, top countries, job opportunities, top companies, why Maxmunus, our top clients, individual training benefits, corporate training benefits, and contact us. So our first slide is introduction. So let me explain what is IFS manufacturing training. Our IFS ERP training is designed to take you from fundamental concepts through to advanced proficiency in using the IFS cloud base. Whether you are an individual learner or part of a corporate team, we will tailor the course content to your specific requirements and learning space. Throughout the program, you will gain hands on experience with key IFS modules, assets management, project management, supply chain management, and more as you learn how to integrate process and data across multiple departments and locations. Then we have features. First one, delivered by certified IFS ERP consultant, complete with slide decks, reference guides, and practice exercise. Then, hands on exercise driven by real business case studies to reinforce concepts. Next, course modules and depth are tailored for individual learners or corporate teams to match your specific needs. Next, training spans from basic fundamentals through advanced topics, ensuring end-to-end mastery. And the last one, dedicated support to prepare you for the official IFS ERP certification exam. Next, we have course content. There are three types of course content. Let's read one by one. Introduction to data transformation. In this, importance of accurate optimized data migration strategy for mapping and cleansing legacy data. Then, techniques for data quality enhancement. Best practices for data validation, depulation, and enrichment, ongoing governance to maintain high quality data and boost margins. And the last one, accelerating time to value. Leveraging centralized cloud based data management, streamlining processes to shorten project delivery cycles and improve efficiency. Then we have prerequisites. There are two types of prerequisites. First, IT and ERP fundamentals. In this, comfort with basic software concepts and what an ERP system does. Then we have project management fundamentals. Awareness of project tracking, reporting, and control principles. Moving on to the next, we have certification. So those want to be an IFS ERP training certified professional, they should first go for IFS ERP certification training from any reputed training institution. So they can clearly understand certification exam pattern and easily pass the IFS ERP training certification exam. Next, we have job opportunities top countries. So, if you are searching for job in India, probably I can say Naukri is the best platform available. Let's have a look at the Naukri platform. I have already opened it for you guys. So here it is. Let's check what are the locations, salary, departments, everything one by one. So first we check locations. So there are many more locations like Bangalore 3615 vacancies, Pune is also 2411 vacancies, Mumbai all areas 2132, Delhi NCR 2078, Hyderabad 2061, Mumbai 1791, Chennai 1664, Ahmedabad 815, Gurugram 797, Kolkata 699, Noida 599, and many more you can check in Naukri.com platform. Then we check what are the industry they are providing. So there are many industries like IT service and consultancy also, industrial equipment also, automobile also, building materials, iron and steel materials, packaging and containers. So there are many industry. Please check in Naukri platform. What are the companies who are providing for this IFS manufacturing vacancies? Like Sodexo, Wipro, Accenture, Capgemini, IBM, PwC, TE Connectivity, Infosys, PepsiCo, Apple, and many more. There are company types also, it's mentioned like foreign MNC, corporate, Indian MNC, startup, other, and MNC. Let me see how much package they are offering. I can see all are ready to pay, like one who all are ready to pay between 5 to 5 plus crore, 64 who all are ready to pay 1 to 5 CR, 87 who all are ready to pay 75 to 100 lakhs, 2222 who all are ready to pay 50 to 75 lakhs, then 5033 who all are ready to pay 10 to 15 lakhs, then 8871 who all are ready to pay 6 to 10 lakhs, then minimum is 3740 who are ready to pay 0 to 3 lakhs, and there is a freshest vacancies also over there. And if anyone is looking for job across worldwide, then you all definitely know then the LinkedIn is definitely the best platform to look for job across the globe. And in LinkedIn today there are 55 result. So please check in LinkedIn and Naukri platform who are interested for IFS manufacturing job. Let's go back to our main slide. main slide, we have already gone through all these top companies in Naukri as well as LinkedIn. And the names of all the top countries we already got to see from all these job portals. So some top countries name mentioned here also like Singapore, UAE, India, Australia, Qatar, and Poland. Next, we have job opportunity top companies. As we can already check on Naukri and LinkedIn that we having a top company's name and some companies name here mentioned also like EZO, KPNG, TCS, ATO, PwC, and DHL. Next, we have why Maxmunus, and it's a very important slide why we choose Maxmunus. So Maxmunus Institution is a 15 years old corporate training and project consulting company. If we have to talk about our Maxmunus company, we are one of the top technology training company in niche technology across India, USA, UK, Europe, and various parts in UAE. Maxmunus has successfully conducted more than 1,000 corporate training in India, Finland, Sweden, Germany, Australia, Israel, and Singapore, or say any other country name. We have also received excellent feedback and appreciation from our corporate clients throughout the globe. These are the names of the top clients for whom we have already provided IFS manufacturing training in India as well as outside India. Please have a look our top client's name. Moving on to the next, we have individual training benefits. So, what are the individual training benefits from Maxmunus? So, let me explain you guys. And the benefits are customized training to individual is our main USP. Industry specific subject matter expert trainers for individual projects. Flexibility to select trainers and have live demo session with trainer before the starting of the IFS manufacturing training. Each candidate will easily get to know the IFS certification exam process in details. Next, we have corporate training benefits. What are the corporate training benefits of from Maxmunus? So the customization of course content can be done as per the company project requirements. We do actually provide implementation and configuration level of IFS training. Maxmunus corporate training program helps employees to start working on project from day one after the successful completion of the training session. Even you have the option to choose location training mode and your preferred schedule. We will definitely provide course completion certification to all the participants. And then we have contact us. But before that, I want to concluding today's session that I can say that IFS course helps to build the presentation layer, add business logic, and control the flow of application in any organization. And for Maxmunus, I can proudly say we have industry specific senior subject matter expert who can customize the training agenda as per project requirements for companies and for individual. This IFS training will be of implementation and configuration level of training. When it comes to individual training, individual may not find customized training as per their project requirements in most of the places, but arranging one-to-one customized implementation level of training for our individual is our main USP. Last but not the least, I can summarize that IFS manufacturing has great market job opportunities throughout the globe world. Excellent trainer, implementation, and configuration level training. Course completion certification, IFS certification tips and guidance, and learning at your own pace. All these options make us excellent and first choice for learning IFS training course. Let's go back. Let's go back to our main slide, that is contact us. How you will contact us if you are interested for this training. So let me explain you. For any further information, or if you want to enroll with us for IFS manufacturing training session, one can definitely reach us through these numbers below. Please note down all the contact numbers. We are even reachable in WhatsApp in these numbers mentioned here. And one can even drop a mail in this given mail ID, that is contact@maxmunus.com. And one can easily reach us by clicking on the URL given in the description box. One can even reach us by dropping a message in our live chat box, and the concerned person will immediately get back to you and solve all your queries regarding the training session. So, for an excellent career growth in IFS manufacturing, do join us now. I hope you will definitely love and enjoy the full IFS training session with Max Manus. Candidate satisfaction is our main responsibility. Thank you.